What if I told you 90% of child sexual abuse victims know their perpetrator? In some ways, 68% are abused by family members. Or that 1 out of 3 girls and 1 out of 5 boys will be sexually assaulted before they reach the age of 18. Also, in the United States, more than 4 children die from child abuse and neglect on a daily basis. Over 70% of these children are below the age of 3. One more. 2.9 million cases of child abuse are reported every year in the United States. I will tell you that this girl Mayella Ewell has been abused by her father. Even though most of you have already figured it out by now. My toes touched trousers, a black buttons, and something I could not identify. A collar, a face. A prickly stubble on the face told me it's not gems. I smelled stale whiskey. Harper Lee, page 301. Proves how violent he can really be. Some other textual evidence from the book. On page 194, it says, nobody was quite sure how many children were on the place. Some people said 6 and others said 9. And when you fast forward to a little bit more into the trial, on page 221, it's that Miss Tom Robinson says, she says what her papa do to her don't count. Mr. What I'm trying to get at with this evidence is that in the book, Mayella is 19, and when she even says to Tom Robinson, she says what her papa do to her don't count. And then even Mr. Ewell calls her, And then it says they're not sure how many children are on the place, so maybe some of those kids are hers. If you or someone you know is being abused, please call the Child Help National Child Abuse Hotline at 1-800-4-A-CHILD or 1-800-422-4453.